Imagine turning your spare room or an empty property into a money-making machine without the hassle of a 9-to-5 grind. The year is 2025, and the Airbnb market is booming. But how do you stand out and succeed in this highly competitive space? Stay tuned, because in this video, we're going to break it all down step by step. Welcome to our channel. If you've ever thought about starting an Airbnb business, or if you're curious about how to make the most of your property, you're in the right place. Today, we'll be covering everything you need to know about running a successful Airbnb in 2025. Whether you're a complete beginner or someone looking to optimize your existing listings, this guide has something for everyone. The travel and hospitality industry has made a massive comeback. Remote work, digital nomadism, and the desire for unique experiences have created an even higher demand for short-term rentals. Plus, with Airbnb's user-friendly tools and new features in 2025, it's easier than ever to start your journey. The first thing you need to do is research. What are travelers looking for in your area? Use tools like Airbnb's market insights to analyze demand. What types of accommodations are popular? Are people booking city apartments, countryside homes, or unique stays like tiny houses or tree houses? Pricing. Check out what similar properties in your area charge per night. Aim for competitive pricing without undervaluing your property. Seasonality. Identify peak seasons and prepare accordingly. You don't need a luxury home to attract bookings. Focus on cleanliness. Ensure your space is spotless. Guests value hygiene above all else. Comfort. Invest in good quality bedding, soft towels, and thoughtful touches like toiletries or snacks. Aesthetic appeal. Create an inviting atmosphere with decor that matches your target audience. Think modern, cozy, or even quirky. Our Airbnb listing is your first impression. Here's how to make it count. Photos. Use high-quality images. Natural lighting and a professional photographer can make all the difference. Title. Write a catchy title that highlights your property's best feature, like cozy cabin with mountain views or modern loft in downtown. Description. Be detailed but concise. Highlight amenities, nearby attractions, and unique selling points. House walks. Set clear guidelines to ensure a smooth experience for both you and your guests. Once you've mastered one listing, why stop there? Consider expanding. Add more properties to your portfolio. Co-hosting. Partner with other property owners to manage their listings. Automation. Use tools like smart locks, property management software, and automated messaging to save time. Sustainability. Eco-friendly properties are a big draw. Use energy-efficient appliances. Provide recycling bins, and mention your green initiatives in the listing. Tech integration. Smart home features, like voice-activated assistants and keyless entry are highly appealing.